say a brand here friend say 1 ton so I say Shatta well so no as I'm making U10 U10 baby out of what me say U10 annual U10 to Nigeria so I say a brand here him say one in Nigeria for it will be for more ding at long last a brand here as I'm making U10 game out of stay tuned yet says a commenter and I'll reply on our Twitter a brand here friend say Shatta well kula waba be tweet afa Nigeria for hono ye the sa tweet nso ebe blow a brand here friend say kwadwo the shøcking so no e de nsem ba ko bi aba abonten wo kire mu a Shatta wale wo wakoda mu oje wo ye jeli uta enti wontime mfa ho ntoto sase nipa ye jeli ni wo blabo mu da adofo yen se bre no me ka wo se ene e first time na wonya me ka ya boost your code one what the one sa ebe smash subscribe button so for latest update turn the notification so na be newly upload bianin so no ebe rechi waso ye out for like to your post no so when you want comment in the form of partner national and reach globally wonu ya bi onyan dey na bi enhwe out for yes sebra no sha ase so say yenkotie apprentice friend say K.sheldon video then me koba Shatta well straight and so no ebe so e dey amamo this side
you do some glorifying fraud. Who, hey, my whole life they don't put me for prison. Who, you, then put you for prison. What you talking about, bro? What you talking about, man? Oh, the whole back, hey, don't, me. You don't call a anchor for. You came back, how can you say you want to stop my shine? Boy, me never worry in my life, huh? Oh, now there you know. I've not been to prison if I don't have a police case. Your name is in the system. For someone who they propagate negativity, I should be the one going to the prison. I don't go to prison because I respect the laws of the land. And that is why Arnold said you are the most inconsistent person ever. Because the song you got inspired by the same y'all of the day this you are here talking about no. Cool down, Donny.
Yes, so what else here? Abrante I friend say K.sheldon so that's what me say what the Ijana no thing which amasa obi a wakwa that cells so say nyo de nponye cells ye jeli wan kasa so what I say one kwada because he respect the law of the land so what I say na so waiting in some apprentice friend say K.sheldon so at the upper ponten finally apprentice friend say 1 ton Shatta well so no and then send back me be upper ponten what amasa was say making U10 they say we making U10 no e dey akwato Nigeria yen quoting some apprentice so no ono so yes, apprentice I fancy Shatta wale and Twitter page you said page Shatta wale so what they say. Eh dey so baba try to say which one it's better we stop arguing with Nigerian fans, promoters, etc. so what they say and ask for help. Me self I need record label from Nigeria so what they say. Ghana music is disgraced. Make nobody like you shout to Niger. Ghana people to them they like talk with no action. Yes, I have said it. So what I say, next wasting in summer brand here. I offense say 1 ton Shatta well and so no e the aba ponting. Oh chile and ya dey say masa Ghana photo omo kasa with no action. Omo kasa say omo kasa but say ya di bibi ya dey say kasa na baby bi the Ghana for ni sa adwen no. Next wasting in summer you turn a brand here at long last they say for Mraz so no munya beef ne kura no at the end no we sin as a first Twitter ono so ababe kan fa Nigeria for to be sa brand no wontimi no enya ma ne nye yie to say wo yet say homogeneous or mess with obi ara say we sin asama Shatta well so e dey about man me do obi biara say ye be share bi makramo baba.